Deactivated.
What? Flooding caused by
Now!
excessive rainfall
Took
is
fucking
occurring.
forever.
Where? A portion of southeast Texas, including the following counties: Harris and Montgomery. When? Until 4:50.
It took them forever to tell that.
Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. Additional details: at 2:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the public reported flooding of streets in the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Humble, Kingwood, Roman Forest, Wood Branch, Atascocita, Lake Houston, Eastern Bush Intercontinental Airport, Porter Heights, East Little York, or Homestead, Hurricane Harbor Splashtown, East Houston, Houston Gardens, Porter, and New Caney. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Potential for life-threatening flash.
Whoa.
What?
We're recording that.
By excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portion of the south central and southeast Texas, including the following areas: in south central Texas,
Jackson.
and inland Jackson.
In southeast Texas. Austin.
Bolivar
Peninsula. Brazoria Islands.
Brazos, Burleson, Chambers, Coastal Brazoria, Coastal Galveston, Coastal Harris, Coastal Matagorda, Colorado, Fort Bend, Galveston Island, Grimes, Houston, Inland Brazoria, Inland Galveston, Inland Harris, Inland Matagorda, Madison, Matagorda Islands, Montgomery, Northern Liberty, Polk, San Jacinto, Southern Liberty, Trinity, Walker, Waller, Washington, and Wharton. When? Through Thursday morning. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Extensive street flooding and flooding of creeks and rivers are possible.
Yeah, this is
Additional details: there is an increased danger to lives and property due to flash flooding.
They should have issued a flash flood
Flooding
watch.
is likely and considerable flash flooding is possible. Northern portions of the watch area have received 4 to 6 inches of rain. An additional 4 to 7 inches of rain is expected to rewide, with totals of 10 inches plus through midweek. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Repeating, the flood watch has been extended until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties:
I personally extended it
Bolivar Peninsula,
until
Brazoria,
late night
Fort
Thursday.
Bend, Galveston, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, and Waller. Here is the tropical weather outlook for the
Now we're gonna listen to this.
Caribbean
This is
Sea and
also
Gulf
important.
of America, northwestern Gulf of America. A trough of low pressure located over northeastern Mexico is producing a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Development is not expected during the next day or so while the trough remains inland. However, the system could reemerge over the northwestern Gulf of America late Tuesday or Wednesday, and environmental conditions there are marginally conducive for the formation of a short-lived tropical storm on Wednesday into Thursday. Regardless of tropical cyclone formation, interests across southern and eastern Texas and portions of Louisiana and Mississippi should prepare for periods of intense rainfall over the next several days, which could produce widespread, life-threatening flash, urban, and river flooding. Gusty winds and coastal flooding are also possible along portions of the northwestern Gulf Coast, and tropical storm watches or warnings could be required on Tuesday. Additional information on this system can be found in products issued by your local National Weather Service Forecast Office or NHCQ messages. The formation chance through 48 hours is medium at 40%. The formation chance through 7 days is medium
First
at
tropical cyclone
50%.
in 2 years.